Titty, show me your trick, dog.
Okay, back out the hearse. They trapped out the church. Niggas say my name, okay, they ask for the worst. Me and Ace at first, preaching back to back on the verse. Hit boy on the beat, so bitch, you gotta go berserk. Kill them off one by one, final destination.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
I bet y'all don't even have girls.
My best friend Trevor recently tore his ACL, but he is still one of the most competitive people I've ever met, so of course I had to put that to the test. I challenged him to try to make a half-court shot with only one functioning ACL. Oh my god. I thought that was fun.
Cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. The shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm running through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, just while they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light.
They do have a timeout. Decide not to use it. Curry, way downtown. Bang! Oh, what a shot from Curry! With 0.6 of a second remaining. The brilliant shooting of Stephen Curry.
I don't know. It's a double rim. That's why I can't make it, man. I'm trying.
Actually, you're the one that's an accident. You got a girl leg and a girl body.
Who just heckled home?
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna.
Oh, pretty ugly.
Hey, room tour?
Yeah, give me a room tour.
Somebody ate half my bag of sour cream and onion chips. I don't know who did that, but it wasn't me. I remember specifically. I did eat these Cheetos, however. This is where I lay. I put my Thanos knee right here on this pillow.
Thanos knee.
I lay my head on that pillow.
Which one?
This one right here.
Okay.
And then that one's just kind of like a cuddle buddy because I get cold in the area and stuff.
Do you remember me tucking you into bed the other night? That's unfortunate. It's a pretty good
Sorry.
tuck.
This is my closet with all my clothes. I got my button-ups, and then my t-shirts that I like, and then I got my jackets on that side. I got some shoes in there.
Oh yeah, dude. What's your favorite pair of shoes?
Probably those white Converse.
Pick them up, show me, dog. Come on.
Okay. I'll pick them up and show you. Look at that.
What do you like about them? Like,
Converse.
what's the fit? Like, what's the dream fit?
I like those high tops, and I love white shoes.
I agree. I do like white shoes.
They're just clean. I mean, they're not clean now because they're dirty, but they're clean once they're purchased, you know?
You're right.
I put my leg in this, and it just bends that hoe up, and then I play Fortnite, and I rage quit a lot. That's about it.
Sure.
On a good day, the sun shines right through these and hits me right in the eyeballs and gives me a major migraine. So that's cool too. Hey Brad, I'm doing a room tour. Shower this morning, that hole fell on my head. And I picked it up and it fell on me again, so I just left that thing. I'm gonna give you a quick peek of Brad. There you go. This is Brad's room. I don't know why Power always closed up right in front of the door to where it barely opens. But, you know, he does that. This is all his shoes. And a gun. This man got a loaded weapon. Oh, that's an airsoft.
Stay strapped.
It's pretty nice. He got some paintballs in here. Where's his paintball? Here's his paintball gun.
Stay strapped.
That'd have been funny.
That was a thing for a while. Lift up your shirt.
Oh, I've pulling this. That ain't the trigger. That is.
This man got a lot of shoes. He also has white shoes.
Well, yep. That's about it. I ain't showing you Jim's room because that's nasty. Nobody deserves that. I would show that to my worst enemy.
It's okay, I'll then share myself. Wish me luck.
That way you look, son. I ain't showing you Jim's room because that's nasty. I would show that to my worst enemy.
Your confidence is amazing at the moment. Steph Curry? Ah! No. Oh!